Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer your Google photo from one Google account into another. So let's say I want to transfer three of this picture from this Google photo to another one. For that, what I need to do is first select the photos. Once I select the photos, what I can do is click on this little share icon. From over here, what I can do is click on create link. Once I click on create link, it says that let anyone with this link see the photo. So what I want to do is click on create link. And what this is going to do is this is going to create me a link. Now it's going to take a bit of time, but once the link is created, basically 90% of our job is done. Because once the link is created and once we copy the link, we just want to paste the link or give the link to anybody we want. And if they open the link, it's going to take them to these photos. So if I click on copy it, and what this will do is I have copied the link. Let's say I shared the link with one of my friend, and one of my friend pastes the link on their browser to open up the link. What this is going to do is this is going to give them access to three of these photos. What they can do is just click on three of these photos and download it and save it on their Google Drive. So that's basically how you guys can transfer Google photo from one account to another. So it's that simple. I can also click on just join and automatically these will be synced with my Google account. As you guys can see, this was the sender and this is my other Google account, which is the receiving part. So that's how we guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.